friends, welcome to Exhort Solutions. In this video, we will see for loop. So, first we will see the basic syntax of the for loop. This is the basic syntax of the for loop. Here we write first for, then we do the initialization, then we write here some condition, and then we write here increment or decrement operator. And in the curly braces, we will write the statements which we want to execute. Before starting with the code, we will first see what is increment or decrement operator. Increment operator. We write increment operator as I plus plus. It is same as writing I is equals to I plus 1. Same concept for decrement operator. We write I minus minus. This can be simply written as I is equals to I minus 1. You will understand this everything with the help of examples we will write. Write a program to print numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, first we will execute this program, how to write this code. After that we will see how to reverse same program and print the value in the reverse order, that is from 9 to 0. So first we will include our header file, that is standard input output file. Yes. Okay, after doing that we will see the yes see the compiler or the IDE which you are using will directly give an error if you are missing something. Here I was missing slash. Okay, now we have successfully debugged this line of code. This is very simple, but when you work in an industry, the task of your debugging becomes very tough. So practice debugging of code is very important. Okay, let's continue. Hash include stdio.h. Then we will write here int main, which is the entry point of the program. Okay, after writing int main, we will initialize I. That is, we will not initialize I. There is a difference between initialization and declaration. Here we will declare I. This is I. Okay, you will understand why we are declaring I. So for, we will write here for loop, that is for, and then we will write here we will initialize I is equals to 0, semicolon, I is less than 9, or if we write here less than 9, then it will print value only up to 0 to 8, but if we write here equals to, then it will print value from 0 to 9, semicolon, I plus plus. Here we are using increment operator. Okay, now we will write here statement to be executed. We have only one line of code, that is printf, and we will print only the numbers. Okay, other not anything we will write here currently, as you are in the learning phase. And what we will print, we will print the value of I and semicolon. Okay, here we have successfully written the code for this problem statement, that is write a program to print numbers from 0 to 9. Now if we run this program, then we will get output as follows. After the getting output, we will see that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, we have successfully got output from 0 to 9. So I think you have understood how for loop works. What if we have to write code for this? It is very simple. Just replace 0 with 9 and the less than sign with the greater than sign and equals to 0. Now if we run the program, then we will get output in the reverse order. Okay, so here I am getting something error. See, error, getting errors in the program is not a big deal. Why we are getting error? Can anyone just comment in the comment section? Yes, we have done a big mistake here. What we are doing? We are initializing I is equals to 9 and we want value I should be greater than or equals to 0. And here we are incrementing the operator. We don't have to increment the operator here. What we have to do? We have to decrement so that we can start from the value 9 and can go up to the value 0. Now this our code is successfully built and now we will get the output as we have expected. Okay, so this is running. Okay, my code will run within a short period of time. Okay, we will terminate this before code, and now if we will see our output, we will get output as, see, now we will get our output that is from 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So I think you have understood and have basic idea of for loop. We will do n number of programs within coming video series, but this is just to understand the basic syntax and how for loop works. Okay friends, thank you. Let's see you in the next lecture.